What's up, biz profit seekers? It's Pat again, coming at you with another video. Today's video is going to be pretty short, pretty sweet. I'm just showing you this my website. It's an e-commerce website, chargans.com. You can come check it out anytime. I'm just going to show you some of the products that I actually I put together. The designs, I actually have some here, just like let's see if you could see it. My morning constitution mug. I always love that saying because, you know, when you have your cup of coffee, obviously the morning constitution, hopefully you get that. But anyway, so when I was going through the classes of learning marketing and advertising, one of the things that I've tried to do was create products to sell and see how well I can market them. So again, you've probably seen this in previous videos, but you know, I created this site, Chargans. And yeah, it's an e-commerce site. I'll show you. Actually, I'm wearing this one right here. Pretty sweet little shirt. Obviously, you know, if you're an entrepreneur, you're really putting in a lot of time and effort. And I kind of thought it was kind of funny. You know, have a little piece of pizza there. It's what a lot of people do when you are working your butt off. Gotta only order some pizza. So a couple other cool little products that we got. I got one for my girlfriend. This one is the Dream It, Then Do It. Hopefully you can see that okay. The lighting in here is not all that great. I'm not bringing in $100,000 a month yet, but one of these days I will. And this is my favorite right here. It is the Big Baller Brand t-shirt. I'm telling you, that one is so awesome. Actually, these t-shirts are really comfortable. I'm pretty stoked about who I'm working with on here, and this is one of those things that I can teach you guys how to do. Get set up with some print-on-demand companies, or just work with vendors in general. So for Christmas, I had to pick up one of these. This is the Love My Burner Cup, which you can find under pet coffee gifts or pet mugs right here. Yeah, I got the red one. There's multiple colors that you can go through. And again, you know, it's not very hard to get set up, but just learning some of the basics that you need to know in setting up a print-on-demand store, I can definitely help you out with. So getting back into the marketing and advertising aspect, I do promote Russell Brunson and his expert secrets quite a bit. Almost anyone that I talk to, if they're starting a business online, if they're even currently have a business, brick and mortar, this will definitely help you, because one thing you need to do is bring traffic to you, customers to you, whatever. Learn how to advertise better, how to be in front of people better. And I'm telling you, this book has been awesome. I also have Dotcom Secrets book, but my desk is getting a little full here, so I'll show you that later on. But anyway, so one thing that you need to keep in mind is for advertising, you know, I created a fan page on Facebook. You can come check it out anytime as well. Kind of the same thing here, just Chargans, just promoting my brand, my company, and you know, it's really easy to do. And if you're going to get into Facebook advertising, this is the way to go. You want to set up your fan page and then start making page posts with any of your products that you are advertising. So you'll see here. This is kind of a ridiculous one, but you know, when you're first getting started, you just try things. You can't be afraid to try anything. It's, you know, you're going to learn as you go, no matter what. It's just taking that initial step forward and getting it going. Because if you don't start playing around with it or don't understand how to market, you know, how are you going to learn without trying? So this is one of our puppies, Gunner. Yeah, he looks like a puppy, but he's actually a big boy now. So yeah, I also want to talk about audience insights. I want to do a second video pretty soon. I would think this weekend before New Year's, I want to put out a second audience insights video because there's some really cool things that I wanted to share with everyone that I haven't seen many people talk about online. And one other thing, if you are a person that has a fan page, and especially if you're doing e-commerce, one thing that I really found out that changed big time for me was this button here. A lot of people come in and put in a contact us button, and I'm going to tell you right now, the customers that are buying from you, they're afraid to really contact you because they're thinking they have to call you. I don't know why, but it's just something that I found out. So I put in this one here, send me a message. So I linked my general email to that one right there. So if you come all the way down to my web, to the chargans.com, I linked sales@chargans.com as my send me a message link. So anytime someone wants to hit me up, they can go ahead and send me a message, and it's usually about a specific product, like, hey, I know you have the measurements on your website, but does the shirt shrink after a couple washes? I've gotten that a couple times. It's kind of funny, but hopefully this is a little bit of a helper video, and especially if you're an e-commerce store and you're really trying to build your brand and getting going. Hit me up with any questions. I'm going to have a bunch of links down below. Get that free book, the Expert Secrets book, right here. It's free. You just pay for shipping. I mean, Dotcom Secrets is the same way. You just pay for the shipping. You can also, if you don't like reading, they also do it in audiobooks. So while you're driving around, you can listen to it whenever. So anyway, my name is Pat. We are the Biz Profit Center. We will talk to you soon. See ya.